poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Danny P. If you are new here, welcome. I film all types of videos dealing with fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related content. So if you like to watch that type of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a get ready with me life update. I am getting ready for work, so it's going to be 4 in the morning when you watch this video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope you enjoy this video. So first things first, let's hop right into it. First thing I want to update you guys on, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I do for a living. If you follow me on Instagram and you just like to skip through stories, which I'm not judging you for because I do the same thing. I'm a flight attendant. Woo! I'm gonna insert some clips for y'all just to show y'all.
Good morning. It is October 1st, 3:37 in the morning. My dad is taking me to the airport. This starts the new journey. Very excited and very nervous at the same time. Are you gonna miss me?
Of course I'm gonna miss you, you know it.
I'm gonna miss you too. I'm gonna miss Atlanta.
Yeah, that will be your first time.
Yeah.
You're gonna shut me away from it here.
In a different state, different time zone, different climate, different demographic.
I started November 1st, and the thing is, my very first flight was with all the people that I graduated with. When I tell y'all, I was nervous as fuck. It was so crazy. We were all new on that plane, y'all. If you was on that plane that day, just be glad that we got on the ground. I'm just kidding. It was very successful, honestly. It was a little stressful, I'm not gonna lie. Getting to the airport on time, I made it, I survived. Training was so interesting, y'all. Oh my god. Listen, first of all, it felt like college all over again. Training for being a flight attendant was difficult. Our training was 3.5 weeks, and we had a test probably every other day, and the tests were like 80 questions. But the one thing I can say about the training is the fact that they did set us up for success. If you paid attention in class and you took your notes and you studied, you did the practice quizzes, you're gonna do good. It wasn't like college to where your teacher barely teach you what's gonna be on a test and you gotta figure that shit out and put context clues. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't no shit like that. They definitely had a lot of strict rules. First of all, we had a curfew. We had to be back in our hotel room at 12. Was it 12 or was it 11? Was it 12? It was 12. Like, mind you, you're telling a whole bunch of grown ass people that they have to be somewhere at a certain time. Like, we don't pay bills at home. Y'all, the way it was just so funny to me how it had set up, I was just like, what? I'm grown as hell? You're telling me I have to get back inside my room at a certain time? Like, first of all, you gave me a roommate. Second of all, which wasn't bad. I love my roommate. She was really, really cool. Shout out to you, Crystal, if you watch my YouTube videos. If you don't, I mean, it is what it is. First of all, you gave us a roommate. Second of all, you're telling us that we have to be in our room at a certain times. Like, that was actually crazy to me. I was like, wait, okay. Yeah, so like I said, we were assigned roommates. I feel like that was also a part of setting us up for success. As a flight attendant now, you're working with all new people almost all the time. If you can adapt to somebody new for only 3.5 weeks, how are you gonna adapt to working with somebody new every single time that you work? Everything was there for a reason, you know. Thank God I graduated. I made it through. Am I liking it so far? Yes. This job really comes with a lot of benefits, and it's so lit. All right, so the next topic today that I want to update you guys, and if you follow my Instagram, you already know. But if you don't, guys, are y'all ready? As you can see, I have braids in my head. I chopped off all of my locks.
Oh my goodness. And you would cut the one in the front, so if you change your mind. You so funny. How are you feeling? How are you feeling, honestly? This is crazy.
My hair gonna be this short, y'all. I don't know.
First of all, grow up, because you're
I've never had my hair this short before, y'all.
You've also never seen the beauty of it that short. That's the thing about it.
Right, okay. You see her, she be trying for that shit.
You did it. Like, that was the hard part.
I can't believe let's do it. Yes, guys, I know I cut them off. I did the big chop the day before Thanksgiving. So basically I was with my hairstylist. My plan was to dye my hair brown. Y'all know I had the blonde tips. I wanted to give ombre. So basically, you know, when you dye locks, guys, if you're trying to dye locks on top of dirty hair and your hair's kind of still retwisted from your last retwist, we tried to wash it and then it got unraveled, of course, from the water, and we noticed that some spots were missing when it came to the dye. So I pointed it out to her and she tried to fix it and it didn't work out. Mind you, prior to this hair appointment, I was definitely already thinking about cutting my locks off. Like, if you know me personally, I was actually talking about it so many times. I was like, man, I think I want to cut my locks off. Like, I don't know what it was about it. I don't know if it was the energy that was attached to my hair. I don't know if it was just the fact that I wasn't used to that fluffy look. It could have been all of the above. Some days I wouldn't really feel pretty with my lock, and I really didn't like that. Like, some days I would love it. Some days I'll really be like, I don't know, like, I don't feel pretty. I would always want to do something to them to try to feel pretty, and I'm like, what is going on? Like, it shouldn't be like this. I should already feel pretty with the way they look, and it wasn't happening. I was not getting to that point. I wasn't getting to that point to where I was feeling pretty with just the way, with no retwist. I was like, yo, I like to switch it up. I like to express myself. And yes, you can express yourself with your locks. I know, guys, I know locks are versatile, but it's just kind of a lot more difficult, and it's a lot more tension on your hair when you try to express yourself. Healthiest locks are locks that are left alone. Honestly, they grow full all throughout. They don't get thin. You're not putting much tension on them. It was feeling like that's what I was doing every time I was getting another style on top of my lock. You know, I wasn't liking that. I was like, what? I wasn't liking the fact that, you know, I always felt like I had to put a style on. I always was waiting for the next retwist to feel cute again. Honestly though, I'm not gonna lie, I did like them though. I did like it. Looking back, after you cut your hair and you go back and you look, you're like, damn, this is what I look like? Okay. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you really do have to appreciate something more when it's gone. Unfortunately, I hate that it's like that, but it was like that. So I do miss them and I did love them. I will get them back. This is not the end of my lock journey. I'm going to get my hair back. I'm going to start when my hair is fully grown out with black, because I started my locks off with dyed hair. I don't want to do that. I want to have black locks and I don't want to dye them when I do get my locks again. So yeah, guys, so now I have a teeny weeny afro. The last and not least life update I have for you guys, we have a new addition to our family. Like, what? This kind of been happened, but I'm just now updating you guys about this. But yeah, guys, I'm an auntie. Y'all, I am a auntie. Like, what? That's how you know shit getting real in life. When Danny becomes an auntie, oh yeah, shit got real. My TT baby. I'm gonna insert pictures for you guys and videos so y'all can see her.
Hi. You know auntie love you so much. My Jugga Wugga. Bah. Bah. Bah.
I love her so much, guys. I actually do have a vlog of me going to visit her, and the vlog, I did have vlogs in my vlog, so don't get confused, but yeah, I'll post that really soon. Alrighty, guys, this is the finished results of my makeup. I love the way I do my makeup, y'all. It's so cute, soft, natural. Just cute. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.